Alright, so my next vehicle, it's a 76 Triumph Spitfire 1500. Got this back last fall because I got started working on this Spit 6. Dream project, something I've always wanted to do since I was a teenager. Got the second rolling chassis for the GT6, so now I got this car to work on too, which is a very beautiful car. But you know, kind of getting the bug to drive something, and this came along. Met some really awesome people through all the Triumph stuff, and they mentioned this. A nice, really great guy mentioned, hey, there's this car. It's been sitting in a garage for like 23 years. It was in great shape when it parked, and so it really didn't take me a whole lot to get it running. Replaced some electronics, all the fluids, belts, hoses, new clutch, and so forth. Done a little bit of work to it already. Converted to the short bumper underriders. I've got shortened springs for the front and a lowering block for the back, so I'm going to bring that down to like European specs. I removed all the extra US bumper stuff in the back, which was surprisingly heavy. So that's going to speed, help out adding lightness. Inside, it's in pretty good shape, but it needs some help. There is, ooh, hey, there's the sun. Let's see if we can do this without the sun. Maybe not. We'll come around the other side. Wintertime, the sun's pretty low. The dashboard in here is kind of cracked. I had to do a little bit of rewiring with some stuff, but it's a great car. It's a blast. So anyhow, but I got a really nice piece of mahogany that I've already started tracing everything out for the dash, so I'll bring you along showing you how I'm building the dash. Let's see. We'll take a look under the hood. Wanted to get a set of HS4 SUs also for it. Because I got the old Xena Stromberg in there, and it doesn't like cold days so much. I rebuilt it, but I've been told they give troubles, and the HS4s are supposed to be a lot faster. So bringing most everything up to European specs. Yeah, so there's this. I might try my hand at autocrossing a little bit in the spring. We'll see. I'm just having too much fun driving this thing. It sticks to the corners like glue. And after I make a few more modifications to it, it's going to just be even better. Let's see, what was I going to say? Ultimate goal with this is my daily driver. I take it everywhere. And when I get the Spit 6 running, I'm going to strip this one down to the chassis, strip down the chassis, paint that, pull the engine, rebuild the engine, probably put a hot road cam in it, repaint it. It was originally French blue. The previous owner, I believe, was the one who painted it red back in the mid-90s. And so we're going to put this into mint condition once it's done. But in the meantime, it is an absolute blast to drive. So, there we go.